Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can share files on Google Drive. So let's get right into it. Now this is very easy, very simple. All you have to do is just have a file on your Google Drive and I'll just upload one of my other tutorials completely randomly, such as this one. Just copy it over to the drive. And as you can see now that is uploaded. Now to share this, it is, as I mentioned, a very simple process. You just need to get the link of this file and make sure to manage the access of the file as well. For example, if I click on it and click manage access, here I can set that I want the access to be for anyone with the link and click done. Now anyone can view it and download it freely however they want. And to actually share it with somebody, I could go to manage access and then copy the link from there, or I could click the ellipses at the right, hover over share, and then either click share and share it with specific people by adding them to the access, or I could just go share and copy a link and manually send the link to somebody else. But in essence, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.